Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your iPhone. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse, so you just go down, click on settings here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to settings here. It's going to show for you like this. So then all you have to do, you just go down here, you keep going down here. So when you just go down here, you will find wallet and Apple Pay. Just click on it. So then you come to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Then here, so you click here on add card. Just click here on set up Face ID and passcode. Then automatically it's going to take you to add your card on your app. So that's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.